Vizhinjam International Seaport in Kerala being formally dedicated to the nation by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said India's first mega transshipment container terminal would propel India into the big league in global maritime trade, enhance logistics efficiency, and reduce reliance on foreign ports.
अभी तक भारत का 75% ट्रांसशिपमेंट भारत के बाहर के पोर्ट पर होता था। इससे देश को बहुत बड़ा रेवेन्यू लॉस होता आया है। ये परिस्थिति अब बदलने जा रही है। अब देश का पैसा देश के काम आएगा।
Replacing foreign ports like Singapore, Colombo, and Dubai can save the country up to $220 million in revenue every year, besides eliminating risks to increased costs, logistical inefficiencies, and congestion issues. Also, long-term risks to the country's trade competitiveness. Vizhinjam multi-purpose deep water port built at a cost of Rs 8,900 crore was a public-private partnership between the Kerala government, Adani Ports and SEZ.
जब हमारे पोर्ट मिनिस्टर अपना भाषण दे रहे थे तो उन्होंने कहा, अदानी का उल्लेख करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी सरकार के पार्टनर एक कम्युनिस्ट गवर्नमेंट का मंत्री बोल रहा है प्राइवेट सेक्टर के लिए कि हमारी सरकार का पार्टनर ये बदलता हुआ भारत है। प्राइवेट सेक्टर की भागीदारी से इनोवेशन और एफिशिएंसी दोनों को बढ़ावा मिला है।
The Adani Group has announced that they will invest up to 20,000 crores to complete remaining phases of Vizhinjam Port before time by 2028. Adani Ports Managing Director also referred to the increased significance of the new port in the era of tariff fears.
So today what happens is most of our cargo which the Indian importers or exporters are moving, it gets transshipped into other places like Colombo, Singapore and Jebel Ali. And because of that we are not able to reduce our cost as well as reduce our transit time. The idea of Vizhinjam port as well as connecting with our 16 ports is the idea is that we are able to give one-stop solution. We are able to focus on efficiency, improve the productivity and reduce the turnaround time drastically for our importers and exporters. And at the end of the day, if we are able to demonstrate that, the shipping lines will benefit and they will pass on that benefit to the end consumers.
The strategic advantages of Vizhinjam stem from its proximity to the busiest international shipping route that is 10 nautical miles away, makes it cost and time efficient. Waters of the port, up to a kilometer away, are between 18 and 20 meters deep, making it perfectly suited to allow very large tankers or mother vessels to approach and dock. Just last month, one of the world's largest container ship, MSC Turkey, docked at Vizhinjam port.
Commissioning of this port marks the dawn of a modern era. The Honorable Prime Minister's presence makes this occasion even more special and brings great joy to all of us. It also makes us optimistic about the bright future of this seaport.
The Prime Minister spoke about this as a multimodal logistic hub into which it is being built, because you have connectivity with road, the NH66, you have rail connectivity just about 12 kilometers away linking to the national rail network, and you have the airport, of course, Trivandrum Airport is very close by.
For NDTV, Uma Sudhir.